DreamCloud Mattress Coupon Code. If you're looking to get your hands on a DreamCloud Mattress coupon code, you've come to the right place. Don't waste your hard-earned money by paying full price, because I'm about to tell you exactly what to do to save $200 off your purchase. Before I show you how to save a nice chunk of change, and go over some very important information such as warranty. If you just came to get a discount, I get it. I'm not going to be offended if you don't watch this full video. I'll put the discount link in the description below. This way, when you click the link below for the DreamCloud mattress, the coupon will automatically be applied. But for those of you who want to stick around, let's get started. Now, unfortunately, you won't find DreamCloud mattresses at your local shopping center, because they're only available online. And here's why that works in your favor. If you were to buy a DreamCloud mattress at a local store, you wouldn't have the option to get a $200 discount, because that's an exclusive online special. At a store, you'd be paying full price, since they have to cover the cost of overheads and employees. However, when you use the coupon link below this video, you can get the $200 DreamCloud mattress discount, plus free shipping. Yep, no shipping costs. You'll also get a lifetime warranty, a 365-day home trial, and they'll even clean or recondition your bed at no cost to you. And yes, you're right, it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. In fact, tons of people looking for a DreamCloud mattress are taking advantage of this online special every single day. You can try it for a whole year, and if you don't like it, you can get your money back. Heck, they'll even pick it up for free. But this $200 coupon probably won't be around forever, so I suggest you jump on it right now before they discontinue it. Go to the description below this video, and click the top link to automatically apply the coupon code. Thanks for watching, and cheers to a good night's sleep and good health.